Uy, huwag naman gano'n.
Kanina hindi ako kinakabahan, ngayon kinakabahan. Pag-pray niyo ako, ba?
10 years na boyfriend-girlfriend. Masaya at mahirap. Ganun talaga. Hindi ka makakapili ng masaya lang. Actually, nung intramurals. So, player siya ng volleyball, player ako ng basketball. So, doon kami nagkakakita siya. Kasi aside from athletic din siya, sumali siya ng singing contest, tapos nanalo siya. So, doon talaga, doon tumama.
Gaya ng palagi kong sinasabi since college days, it's always you and will always be you. Because I'm falling in love with the same person again and again. I love you, mahal ko. You already know how much I love you. I promise to God, I will take care of you, support you, at ng magiging mga anak natin. Let's always put God in the center of this marriage. I love you, Mr. ko, Paul ko, mahal ko.
When the Blessed Virgin Mary offers Jesus Christ to the world, ito rin yung panawagan sa inyo araw-araw na laging ipamalas si Jesus sa pamagitan ng paglilingkuran at pagmamahal sa isa't isa.
Thanks, Ma, for everything. Thanks, Dad.
Oo naman. Anytime.
Always. Patawarin niyo po.
Mukhang mamaya meron pa siya na
Naglalakad na tayo dito, oh. Date mo lang ako dito.
Giselle, bukal bang iyong loob sa pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Paul na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Paul, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Giselle na iyong pagkamamahalin at paglilingkuran ng habang buhay?
Opo, Padre.
Paul and Diel, alam niyo na ang ibig sabihin ng pagmamahalan sa loob na sakramento ng kasal. Unconditional.
Heavy like a landslide. That's the way my heart beats now. Up until the last sunrise, I'll be reaching for you. Wanting you is all I know, and loving you is out of my control. So I'm letting go and going down. 'Cause nothing lasts forever.
Ay, mahal kong mister. Shalom. Mahal ko. I can still remember the first time I saw you. The first day I heard your voice. The first time you held my hand. The first time we prayed together. And all the first times.
For you, I'm falling. I'm infinitely falling for you. I'm falling. I'm infinitely falling for you. I'm falling. I'm infinitely falling for you. I'm falling. I'm infinitely falling for you.
Ayun, salamat at dinala niyo ako sa mundong to. So ngayon dadaling ko naman kayo sa aking kasal. So salamat sa mga suporta at pagmamahal na binigay niyo sa akin. Hindi lang sa akin, sa aming tatlo, sa aming magkakapatid. So maraming salamat at mahal na mahal namin sa iyo.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. I am Dan, and I'd like to welcome you all to this morning celebration. And let's give our warmest welcome to our sweetest Mr. and Mrs. Paul, John, and Helen.
From this day, I commit my love and my life to you. I promise to support, encourage, and inspire you. As long as we both shall live, my love for you will be forevermore. I love you.